Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about Bobcoin and its future price prediction. So as I told you guys that if you buy it for back $50, then it will be good for you. So it hasn't been long, it has been 1 week at the most. You can see in the 1 week that it has been, I had told you that it was back dollar, okay, when I told you to buy it. And if at that time you had bought it for even back slash $5 to back slash $10, then today's back slash $10 would have become something like back slash $100 for you. Okay. You can see that at 670, I told you it is 61 right now. How much profit have you made till now? Until now, when I told you, now you know what is its market cap. At that time, it had a market cap of 2 million. Now, see, the market cap has become 46 million. You can see this. The market cap has become 46 million. Okay. At that time, the market cap was 2 million. How much it has grown in just 1 week. You can see what is the total supply, what is the total in it, what is the market cap. Everything is there. And in fact, till now, its market cap was increasing, and how much it had gone up. You can see in today's date, look here, it is live. How much it had gone up. It has come down again. Again, it is starting to go up again. Okay. It will go up again. Now it will move again. And you can see how much buy, sell is happening here. Okay. Look here. The second buy is happening. Sell is happening. Buy is happening. Sell is happening. Okay. You can see this. Here it is showing all things which address suite, which from where is the buying happening, where is the selling happening. Right now, 3 people have sold continuously. 1 person bought. Okay, these people are also making profit on it on daily basis. And some of the coins of maximum quantity are selling. Some are keeping their coins and the rest are selling this. Right now, many people are in profit. Whoever has seen our videos, the first old video, all the guys are in profit. Okay. And even now, I will say that if you buy it now and buy it hand to hand and sell it, then you should take your profit and get out, because it has pumped so much. You can see that it can dump anytime, which I had just sold. When I made a little profit, I sold it. And I'm thinking that if it falls, I will buy it again. Okay, so let's see how far it goes. We are looking at buying now. Buying has started increasing again. Now selling was going on. Currently buying is starting now. Let's see how high it goes again. Okay. If you guys want to buy, then if you still want to buy it for a long term, if you want to hold it for a... Don't tell me which exchange you are on. Where I'm on its official website right now. It is available on Binance as well. It is available everywhere too, okay? It is Binance as well. It is their own coin. So Binance will not leave it. It will also support it, and Binance also support it a lot because it is Binance's own coin. So the support will be from Binance, right? Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. That's it for now. We will meet in the next.